Darl's SLR camera is an infrared night vision SLR for iPhone device. It has 4 main functions: 5x optical zoom, separate shooting, power bank, infrared night vision technology. With 5x optical zoom, can zoom in the object from 20 meters to 4 meters and still maintain the high definition of the picture. Darl's SLR camera used the world's most sophisticated military infrared night vision core technology in the night or weak light environment. The photos taken by SLR is much clearer and better than the performance of iPhone. Darl's SLR camera can transmit Wi-Fi signal and connect with iPhone. In the distance of 10 meters, it can be separated from phone to shoot photos. Darl's SLR camera has over 3000 mAh Class A Polymer Lithium battery, which can provide power supply for iPhone for twice. Darl's SLR camera now only support 4 models of iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, with System iOS 7 or higher version. Packing list: device, user manual, USB cable, device layout, power button and power indicator light on the top of machine. On the backside, the 5x optical zoom is surrounded by infrared lights, spotlight, flashlight. Zoom button on the left. Reset hole, mic hole, micro SD card slot on the upper right. Micro USB charging port on the bottom. Built-in iPhone charging port. Below, there is charging button and power indicator light. Search Darling Y in App Store. Download and install. Insert the micro SD card. Press the power button until the indicator light turns on. The lens will open automatically. Search the Wi-Fi prefix with PTL. Enter in password 1234567890. Open the app and you will see View from the viewfinder. We can press shutter button to shoot and press zoom button to zoom in. In the iPhone display, there is operation interface of zoom, flashlight, and exposure compensation on the left. On the right side, there is photo, video mode switch, day-night mode switch, shoot, record, shutter, photo, video preview and setting. In the setting, we can set the resolution, change the password of Wi-Fi, reset to factory defaults, etc. In the photo preview, content in SD card on the left side, content in iPhone on the right. Choose the photo Darling file. Click Download. The photos and videos can be copied into iPhone.